So if you're watching this video and you're interested to build a generational wealth, we are building a community that is tailored to help every member of this group and this community partake in the generational wealth we're about to create. I am and we are tired of this online crazy, stupid, unrealistic ROI system they keep bringing on to us. It have make a lot of you and I poor. Like it have done more harm than good. Online opportunity. This will be giving you XX every day. It has caused problem. So if you are looking for what you can actually do with your money that will help you build generational wealth without the fear of losing out your money, click the link at the end of this video to see how it can help you. Trust me, this not be for everybody. It's not be for everybody. Oh. If you know, say you na Ponzi person, if you know you are looking for daily ROI, this is not for you. What did I say? It's not for you. I'm about to show you how over the years people have been making money in cosmetics and insecticide products. I want to show you how you can partake in partnering with cosmetic companies that are about to hit the market, especially when it is a daily use product like Shetos. So if you want to know how you can partake and become a distributor in these companies, click the link below. So make you know say this is not your regular bring one, bring two. Nah. So if you're interested, click the link below. We're building a team, a community of trusted people, people that really want to solve problems for themselves, people that are not actually in a hurry to make ₦1,000,000 overnight. No, in this community, we are real, we are transparent. You see how your money works for you. You see how you can be a mini distributor in these cosmetic companies. You can actually put your money in a cosmetic company that are out to launch their product. You can take advantage of that, plug in your money. The company will be the one to actually make sales for you and in return generate profit for you. At the end of the day, if you are happy, you want to come back and repurchase, you can repurchase. Now, what am I saying? You do the purchasing, the company does the selling for you, you make profit, and everybody wins. So if you are interested to know how you can actually plug in into a system that will make your money work for you, real physical consumable product that will help people out there and in return give you money without you doing anything. Rather, the company will actually help you make sales. A lot of people that are in the market are making good money. It's time to look inward, not outward. If you're interested to know more, click the link below and we'll see you in the inside.